Hello, this is going to be a quick one. I want to quickly respond to a video that I posted, the comments under there. The first comment, I promise that I'm going to show you how to remove the watermark if you are using a pro version, because what he said in his comment was that the problem is that he has a pro version of the CapCut, yet he cannot save without the watermark. So this video is to address that. But before I show you that video, I want to quickly address the comments under my video saying that method is a scam. I don't know why some of you cannot just test the thing before you begin to target a scam. I am very sure 100% that they did not try it. They did not go through the hassle of doing that thing in the video, following the step in the video before tagging it a scam. All I can say is go and do it. People around me, they are doing and it's working for them. If it's not working for you, simply means you're not doing well. If you need assistance in how to do it, you can simply reach out instead of dropping negative comment. Having said that, let's go back to attending to the gentleman who wants to save his video in CapCut Pro without using watermark. So all you need to do is go into CapCut, and when you are in CapCut, you just need to tap on a project, whichever project that you are working on, just tap on the project. And when you are there, click on the 1080p, the resolution that is there, and you're going to see watermark. Now it's set to visible. Even if you are using the pro, if it's set to visible, it's still going to show. All you need to do is make it to none. Once you do that, you can now go and save your video. The watermark will not be there. All right.